Hey everyone, it's Sam here, and this is just literally about 10 minutes ago dropped through my letterbox. I've had a quick look and I'm desperate to use it. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing because I'm going live shortly, and by the time this video goes out that won't matter, but I want to use it in my live. So this is, I don't even know what number this one is. This is the latest Papercraft Society box. This is by Katie Skilton and it is box 53. So as I always like to say at the start of these are a subscription box. You can subscribe to them monthly, you can do 3 monthly, 6 monthly, yearly. You can also wait for the open stock and then just buy it, you know, as and when over on the website. If you take out the yearly one, that does work out cheaper for the price per box. So have a look. It's always linked in my description box below. As always, the decoration on the front is an idea indication of the colour palette and the themes. Now, if you have enjoyed Katie Skilton's brand, which is My Creative Life, it's very cute and contemporary. The colour palette that she uses is always really nice. So I'm looking forward to seeing what's inside this because I'm going in blind. I don't have any idea about this one. So on the front here, it says, given enough cardstock, I could rule the world. And that's from Katie. Also, I just want to add, the boxes have started to come in these little boxes as well, because I know lots of you do like to store and keep these boxes here. And originally these were the delivery box. They were just, you know, nice looking ones, but people do really like these. So they've now added this box and also the padded envelope. So hopefully you will receive yours now perfect condition. I actually use mine for postage. I just keep the envelopes on my shelf and I take all the other bits out. Anyway, enough of that. Let's have a look, as always, in the envelope festival. So again, lovely colours on the front here. And then, oh gosh, it's like this is my colour palette for my brand and my favourite colours. So we've got the beautiful turquoise, that shocking hot pink with the orange through it. It looks lovely. As always, if you do make anything and you've got social media, if you use the hashtag Papercraft Society, then it just helps other people who are maybe looking for inspiration, and also the guys at head office, they can see your makes. Then it says here, too many ideas, not enough time. Being creative is a way of life. And I just want to make beautiful things. So let's take everything out of the packaging so there's no glare. Okay, so first of all, I will take one of the papers and we'll look at the dies. So we've got these little hearts with the word sweet. You've got XOXO and then these two that are plain. You've also got your XOXO here. And you've got these tiny little, I think they might be for confetti or hundreds and thousands maybe. This looks like a ticket shaped die. And then I imagine all of this is to create whatever this is here. Maybe a little sweet, something to do with sweets, a sweet stand or something. And then we've got a heart here, nice thick frame one actually. And then we've got outline dies for the sweets. So it's going to be for these ones here. But I'm not 100% sure about that. So we'll have a look in a minute because you get your booklet inside. So you've got your die set and then these papers here. So you've got, that one is like the same as the front of the box, but without the foiled hearts. Then you've got this one. That one is like the front of the envelope. Love the stripes. Then you've got the lots of triangles there and these like streamers. And then this one here, which is like your little love heart sweets, which is what those remind me of. So you've got some gorgeous papers there. And you've got a lovely big 5x7 stencil, just loads of hearts all over it, which is lovely, really handy. And then we've got 2 sheets of window sheet or acetate. It's more of a window sheet, it's a lot lighter. And then a lovely stamp set here. So again, I'll just use that paper so you can see it a bit better. So yeah, so you've got your dies to cut these ones here. Ah, yeah, it is. Oh, it's like a little gumball machine. So I guess that's what we can create. So like a little 3D one. So you've got your 4 like love heart sweets there, your little discs. I choose you. I love you more than sweets. You're the sweetest. Happy Valentine's Day. May your day be filled with the best things. I'm sweet for you. Wishing you the sweetest day and have a sweet birthday. And you've got that one Happy Valentine's Day. All of these other ones are all year round, just because cards. So yeah, I think you're going to be able to use this a lot. You know, you've got your bestie one there and a birthday sentiment. So yeah, it's come out at the right time with Valentine's Day, but it's certainly one that you can use, you know, many other times through the year. So a lovely set of goodies in the envelope there. And then let's have a look at what's inside the tissue paper. Right, so first of all, we'll look at the cardstock. So you've got your coordinating cardstock here, and you've got that lovely coral, you've got that light pink, teal, and then it looks like doubled. Yes, you've got 2 of each. This is white core, and it's about a 300 GSM. It feels nice and thick. So you've got 6 sheets of cardstock there. Then you've got some pink and white baker's twine. I actually think I've run out of that one because I do use that occasionally on my 3D makes. And then in here, oh my goodness. Okay, so we've got a mix. I imagine everybody's going to have something different, but they're little sweets. Oh my goodness, these are so cool. That would look so, I've got a ring with that kind of similar style. Got little like gumdrops. I'm not going to want to use these. I don't know what that one is. And then this one's a bit random, which is why I suspect everybody's going to have something different. But it's like a thing, it's like McDonald's fries, but obviously for copyright reasons, it's a W instead, which is quite funny. So yeah, I think that's a bit of a rogue one, but these are, they look real. In fact, yeah, you might want to keep these out of reach if you've got any little ones. They're really quite sweet. It'd be interesting to see what the inspiration shows, because like I said, I think they're going to be different for everyone. But they're really cool. I love those. And then this feels like sequins. Oh, it's cute. Oh, we've never had them before. These are little iridescent hearts, but they're dinky. So these obviously, I think, will work really well with that little like sweet machine, because you can probably turn it into a shaker. Lots of static in there, but I usually decant these into my little glass jars, so I'll do that later. So they're really cool. And then we've got these lovely toppers. So you've got gold foiling. I love you more than sweet. So I think a lot of these are probably repeats of the sentiments there. You've got home sweet home. That one's different. You've got love you always. Have a sweet birthday. You're so sweet. I choose you. Wishing you the sweetest day. They're nice size as well. We're better together. Happy birthday. Follow your heart. I love you always. Your love is so sweet. Sending love. Everyone's different by the looks of it. Love is a beautiful thing. All you need is love. Happy birthday, but in a different font. You're the sweetest. I'm sweet for you. Oh. May your day be filled with the best things. The best things in life are sweet. Another happy birthday, but as a disc. Love is in the air, and happy Valentine's Day. There's loads there. Probably find I'll use a lot of those in my scraps videos, because I'm going to get back into doing those again. I might already have had one up by the time this video goes out. Okay, so lots and lots of goodies there. And then I don't tend to show too much inside the booklets, because I think it's a nice surprise if you do decide to get this box, or maybe you've got it and you haven't looked at it yet. But this is Katie on the front there with the box. And then let's just go and see. Yeah, even in that picture, they're different. They're like little M&Ms, and there's like a little lollipop. See, they're cute little gummy bears. Oh, I think it's going to be really hit or miss with that, which is, I get why they've done it, but it's also a shame, because I would have preferred that lollipop over the McDonald's thing. But maybe I should turn that into a ring, because I think that would make quite a quirky ring. So we shall see. So a little bit about the inside. So here is the little kind of sweet machine. So you can see this card that's been, oh yes, you got the little tickets, which is what I thought they were, like little love tickets or love tokens. And then the machine, that's really cool though. I love all the detail with the little like turning kind of cog on it. And then all the sweets inside the heart there. And you've got a step-by-step on how to do that. You got this card idea that Katie's done, so that's this shaker. And she's used one of the toppers there down the side, so it's a little bit different. And then I'll show you these two here. There's actually quite a lot in here. So Katie's made that actual sweet machine shaped card. It's like a little easel. And then with that sentiment, I choose you. And then this one, she's just layered everything up with the topper and the twine. And I like all the little XOXO dies there around it as well. It's a really, really sweet box, this one. No pun intended. So thank you as always for watching. I'll have a direct link below this video to take you to this box if there's open stock available. I will also have a link below that taking you to the Papercraft Society, so you'll be able to check out all the different subscriptions. Coming up now will be a playlist with all of my unboxings, so if you want to go and check that out first, it gives you a really good idea on the variety of boxes that are released each month. I've got every single unboxing there, I think bar 2. But we're on, this is what, 56 now, so there's a lot of videos there for you to have a little look at. If you want to see what I will be making with this box, then make sure you're subscribed to my channel by clicking here, and I'll have the product linked here as well. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.